The Dacia Spring electric show car is a truly electrifying electric city car that is here to set new trends. The pastel mouse gray body is enhanced with matte splashes of fluorescent orange, with trim along the wings, roof bars, and lower door panel, extra high clearance, skid plates built into the front and rear bumpers. Its assertive SUV style and compact dimensions makes it the ideal vehicle for everyday use with guaranteed peace of mind. Special attention has been paid to the lights. At the front, full LED headlights have been fitted in two ways, a horizontal strip on the upper section, and 6 graphic features built into the bumper. On the rear, the 4 full LED lights create a double Y effect. These visual effects mark the future of Dacia's lighting identity. Through this new luminous signature, ribbed bonnet, and specially treated solid radiator grille, the front end of the Spring electric show car expresses strength and reliability. With its all-electric engine and battery adapted for everyday use, the Dacia Spring meets the practical needs of urban and suburban mobility. It is a robust vehicle that gives private and fleet car owners the full range of benefits of electric vehicles: ease of driving, silent operation, no vibrations, zero emissions, etc. Moreover, it is simple to charge and takes very little maintenance. Light and compact, the Dacia Spring factory standard model will have a top range of over 200 kilometers in WLTP, guaranteeing versatility for stress-free urban and suburban use. It will be available in 2021.